Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to view the top gaining stocks using Google Finance and how I keep track of market momentum. Once I open up Google Finance, I head over to the Market Trends section and select the Gainers category to explore what's performing best during the current trading session. When I'm on this screen, I can clearly see a list of the top gaining stocks or funds ranked by their percentage increase. This list updates based on real-time or recent market activity, which helps me quickly identify which stocks are experiencing strong upward movement. It's a very useful feature when I want to spot trends, monitor volatility, or even discover new opportunities in the market. Additionally, I often use this feature for research, analysis, and staying updated with daily stock activity. It's especially helpful for traders, investors, and anyone interested in tracking performance metrics without needing complex tools or charts. So, yeah, that's how I view the top gaining stocks on Google Finance. It's very simple, very straightforward, and incredibly useful once you start using it regularly. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.